Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Brave browser is suddenly silent while other applications on your computer have audio, the issue is usually a muted tab, a blocked site permission, or a conflict in your system's volume mixer. I will show you exactly how to restore your audio and fix the Brave sound issues right now. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure the specific website hasn't been silenced by the browser's built-in controls. Look at the tab at the top of your window. If you see a speaker icon with a line through it, right-click the tab and select Unmute Site. Additionally, click the Shields icon or the lock icon in the address bar, select Site Settings, and ensure that the sound permission is set to Allow rather than Mute or Automatic, as Brave's aggressive privacy settings can sometimes accidentally block media playback. Next, if the browser says it is playing audio but you still hear nothing, you must check if Brave has been muted at the system level. While Brave is open and playing a video, right-click the speaker icon on your Windows taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Scroll through the list of apps to find Brave and make sure its volume slider is turned up and the small speaker icon below the slider is not crossed out. This is a common fix for cases where audio works in Chrome or Edge but remains silent in Brave. Finally, if site-specific settings and system volume are correct, you may need to clear corrupted temporary data or reset the Shields configuration. Click the three-line menu in the top right corner of Brave, go to Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time, check Cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and click Clear Data. Once finished, restart the browser to flush the background processes and re-establish a clean audio connection. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.